Solitaire Cache autoplay can stop responding when the app is not fully updated, the connection drops, or the feature is unavailable for the current game mode. By the end, you'll know which settings to check, how to refresh Solitaire Cache, and what to do if autoplay still does not work. Start by closing Solitaire Cache completely and reopening it. On Android, open the Recent Apps screen and swipe Solitaire Cache away. On iPhone, open the app switcher and swipe the app away. Then, launch Solitaire Cache again and check autoplay before starting another game. Next, verify that autoplay is actually available in the game you are playing. Features can be limited to specific game modes or situations, so check the controls or feature information shown inside the current game. If the autoplay option is missing completely, do not assume the account is broken. The next step is your internet connection. Solitaire Cache needs a working connection for account and game information to stay synchronized. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or switch from mobile data to Wi-Fi. Then reopen the app and test the feature again. Now, check for an update. On Android, open Google Play Store, search for Solitaire Cache, and install an available update. On iPhone, open the App Store, search for Solitaire Cache, and update it if an update is available. After updating, restart the app before testing autoplay. If you use Android and the feature still does not respond, clear the Solitaire cache. Open Settings, go to Apps, select Solitaire Cache, open Storage, and choose Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without using the Clear Data option. Avoid Clear Data unless you know your login information and understand what resetting local app data will do. If autoplay appears on screen but tapping it does nothing, check whether other game controls respond normally. If every control is frozen, the problem is more likely with the current game session than with autoplay itself. Exit the game if possible, reopen Solitaire Cache, and start a fresh session. If autoplay remains unavailable after restarting, updating, changing networks, and clearing the Android cache, contact Solitaire Cache support. Include your device type, operating system version, Solitaire Cache version, and a screenshot showing the autoplay problem. The practical order is simple. Restart the app, confirm autoplay is available for the current game, check your connection, install updates, and clear the Android cache if necessary. If the feature starts working again, like the video, and subscribe for more Solitaire Cache troubleshooting guides.